Christmas tree cookies. I'm really excited, and we're gonna be making some cookies, and yeah, so I'm gonna get the tin foil, and I just put you guys here on this paper towel.
Oh, yeah, keep on this finish me. I want to pour in milk.
I can't send you anything.
Why?
Actually, never mind. Hold up. So the cookies are done, and I'm gonna have some. She got a little Christmas tree. And yeah, I want to come on the vlog because I just woke up. And I just want to say I'm sorry that this vlog was super short because I literally was doing things all freaking day today. I was busy this whole entire day. I literally just vlogged just me baking, and that was pretty much it. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much, and I want to say thank you guys so much for this love and support on my last Vlogmases. And I've been seeing all your comments. It's just a little hard to reply to them all, but I'm going to be loving all of them, and when I actually love them, I actually see your comment. Don't just think that I'm scrolling through, because I'm actually reading them all. And I had rehearsal today, so I'm sorry. And also my hair is just like really bad right now. I'm like looking like a whole entire mess right now. And yeah. But this is just my vlog for today. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 8. And I cannot believe we're already a week, more than a week into Vlogmas. I've been killing the game. Not really, because I feel like I've just been uploading 3-minute vlogs, but I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I've just been so busy, and this week I'm going to be even more busy because I have auditions, and those are the most... I'm stressing just even hearing the word audition. But thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 8, and my hair is... But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about like all the love that I've been seeing on my Vlogmases. Thank you guys so freaking much. I love you all. And yeah, and I also want to record like auditions a little bit because I do have a big audition coming up, so please hope and pray for me, guys. It's gonna be a little challenging, and I feel like it's really nerve-wracking because I kind of have like a little bit of stage fright when it comes to singing like in front of people, but like whatever, I'm gonna have to come to the conclusion of it anyway, so I'm just gonna have to do it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I love you guys so much.